Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an E82 error and you're wondering what this error is and how can you get rid of it. First of all, the bad news is that the E82 error is not an easy one to fix. It's not a drain issue or a water issue or something like that where you can come and check and see what the problem is. So this E82 error is an error on the control board. So there might be something faulty on your control board and it's going to be hard to fix without having a technician come out and check with it, unless it's just an electrical anomaly, which sometimes happens, like computers that just act funny for no reason. And what do you do to get them working right again? Well, you restart them. And so before you call a technician, if you have this error, is to just do a hard restart on your washing machine. So all you're going to do to do that is just turn it off and then disconnect it from the power. So that means either unplugging it from the wall, or if it's hardwired, you can turn it off at the breaker. Once you've done that, you can restore power to it, turn it back on, and that will clear the error out, and hopefully it won't come back. Again, if it does, at that point you're going to need to call a technician. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.